Partner,
Innovative
mukhang
brands.
unahin po natin yung isa nating co-presenter. So, ladies and gentlemen, yes, now ready? Let's give it up for Be Happy
Hey, Happy
Crafts!
Crafts! Let's go!
Hello po sa lahat po ng Entrepinay ngayong umaga pa, maaga, tanghali na. Ayun, gutom na po ba kayo? Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ian. So, I am the manager of Be Happy Crafts. It's an honor to speak in front of all of you today. And on behalf of Be Happy Crafts, a proudly Filipino small business founded by Miss Ruby Quintal. It is exactly 13 years ago this month nung na-found siya. Birthday po ng Be Happy ngayon. Back then, Ruby was a humble entrepreneur with big dreams, joining bazaars, bringing her passion of arts and crafts to life, one product at a time. Ang unang product niya po ay washi tape. Nag-start po siya doon, isang box ng washi tape na tinry niyang ibenta sa bazaar. And then, fast forward to today, Be Happy Crafts continues to grow, aiming to become one of the go-to arts and crafts brands for every Filipino crafter and creative. Now, you might be wondering, bakit po Be Happy yung pangalan po ng aming store? Kasi halos kapangalan po siya ng very sikat na kainan dito sa Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na ngayon. So, ang ibig sabihin po kasi ng Be Happy ay, yun po kasi yung palayaw ni Ruby. Tapos dinugtong niya yung happy. So, these are the things na ibebenta niya, yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa kanya. Parang Ruby Happy. Kasi dati nag-start siya, pang distress lang yung lahat ng ginagawa niyang items. In short, nagjo-journal, scrapbooking, walang mabilhan sa Pilipinas ng supplies. So what happened was, wala pa kasi dating mga yung mga iba-ibang app na mabilis umorder. So order siya abroad, ang mahal. So anong nangyari? May sobra. Kaka-order niya, para hindi sayang, sumali siya sa bazaar, binenta niya. So dun sa simple idea na, para makatipid ako sa gusto kong gawin, bebenta ko yung sobra sa iba para sumaya din sila. Tapos lahat tayo masaya na ngayon. Di ba? So, arts and crafting supplies, Be Happy Crafts is not just a brand name. It's a reflection of her passion and joy of creating. Her story is a proof that with sipag, tiyaga, and a lot of heart, anything is possible. To all the amazing Filipina entrepreneurs and small business owners here, saludo po kaming lahat sa inyo. We know it's not easy. Wala naman talagang madali. Kasi kung meron, yun na yung gagawin nating lahat. Di ba? Lahat, mas masaya pag merong challenge na nalampasan nating lahat. Bawat step natin, kahit gaano kaliit, i-celebrate nyo siya as big win. You are the backbone of creativity and innovation in our country. Lahat talaga nagsisimula sa small business like all of us. Tapos kung wala pa kayo small business, this is a very good opportunity for you to look around. Look at things that would spark joy in your heart kasi pinakamadaling mag-start sa bagay na nagpapasaya sa inyo. Siyempre, hindi lang kami nandito para magbenta ng craft supplies. Isa sa goals namin sa Be Happy Crafts ay makatulong sa inyong makapagsimula rin ng sarili nyong small business. Whether it's through our curated craft materials, DIY kits, or simply sharing our journey, sana kami po ay maging kaagapay nyo sa pag-abot nyo ng inyong pangarap. So let's keep going, let's support each other, yun po yung mahalaga. Kahit na yung ibang mga akala nyo, kalaban nyo sa business, huwag nyo isipin na kalaban, isipin nyo, ang isang business na monopolyo ay hindi nag-i-improve. Kailangan merong competition. Yung competition, it could always be a friendly competition that helps each other improve each other's business. So, from all of us from Be Happy Crafts, maraming salamat po unang-una sa Bibong Pinay para sa pag-invite sa amin, sa FH Moms. And then, salamat po sa pagiging part nyong lahat ng journey namin. And then, here's to more years of creating, inspiring, and growing together. Mabuhay ang Entrepinay at mabuhay ang lahat ng small business. Salamat po.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, once again. Wow. Alrighty.